Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Ollie. Oh, is you mowing? Hey? Is you mowing? Oh. Are you going? No, no, mama. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, bless him. He's slowly but surely getting there, and I think just a little patience and understanding, you know, he'll get back to himself. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Did you go on the windowsill? Did you go on the windowsill then? What you want?